Hello everyone, welcome to our another new video. In today's video, we will discuss about personification. So what is personification actually? Personification is a figure in which lifeless objects or ideas are given life. It is a figure of speech that endows animals, ideas, abstractions, and inanimate objects with human form, characters, or feelings. It treats abstractions and inanimate objects as if they were human beings. In this figure, the personified idea or object is mostly written with a capital letter. Function of personification. Personification serves the purpose of giving deeper meanings to literary texts. It adds vividness to expressions. As personification brings inanimate things to life, their nature and actions are understood in a better way. Its use encourages us to develop a perspective that is new as well as creative. Time let me hail and climb is an instance of personification. Here, an abstract idea, time is endowed with the personality of a living being, having the power of letting someone hail and climb. Personification here serves the purpose of giving deeper meanings to literary text.